Chapter 4, Quadratic Equation. Today we will do exercise 4.3, solution of quadratic equation by completing the square, method of completing square. Now we derive the formula of quadratic equation, that is quadratic formula. Let the general equation of be ax square, you can write here 8ax square plus bx plus c, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c constant term. Now divide the equation by a, so it becomes b upon ax plus c upon a. Coefficient of x square, make it 1. Now how will you make this a complete square? So what you do, method of complete squaring, it is equal to 0. So add and subtract b upon 2a ka whole square on both sides. This is the middle term. So x square plus b upon a x plus b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square plus c upon a. This will become, if I add and subtract this, so it will make, instead of this, what you can write, x plus b upon 2a ka whole square. If you expand it, you will again get this x square plus b square upon 4 plus 2ab. 2 से 2 कट जाएगा तो bx upon a. Now take LCM. It is, what is LCM? 4a square. This divided by this, it is minus b square, and a divided by 4a square, it is 4a, and multiplied by c, so it becomes plus 4ac is equal to 0. Now transpose this to that side, इसको आप उधर लेके जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? So x plus b upon 2a का whole square, when this will go there, it becomes, minus का हो जाता प्लस, और प्लस का हो जाएगा माइनस. You can write in this way, b square upon 4a square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now it is x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to 4a square b square minus 4ac. Taking square root on both sides, we get x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon square root of 4 is 2 or a square is a. If you take positive sign, there are two values. If I take positive value, it is under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Transpose b that side, so x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Take LCM, so x is equal to minus b plus, it becomes plus minus, okay. If I take plus, so it is plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a when I take positive value. Now I will take negative value, it becomes x plus b upon 2a minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it is x is equal to minus b upon 2a minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Take LCM, so it is minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is one value and this is second value, there are two roots, so it is also called a quadratic formula. इसको आप क्या बोलेंगे? Quadratic formula, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Question number first, find the roots of quadratic equation by method of completing the square. Find roots of quadratic equation by method of completing square. First part, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we know that the coefficient of x square is 1. So here it is 2. So divide the full equation by 2. That is divide by coefficient of x square, that is 2. So x square minus 7 upon 2x plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now what do we add in this? That it will be the complete square. The trick is that you can add b upon 2a ka whole square, add and subtract. So it will become complete square. What is b? Coefficient of x, that is minus 7 upon 2. What is a? 7 upon 2. What is a? 1 into 1. So it becomes 7 upon minus 4 whole square. It is 49 upon 16. You can add and subtract 49 upon 16 in this. X square minus 7 upon 2 plus 49 upon 16 plus 3 upon 2 minus 49 upon 16 is equal to 0. एक बार ऐड कर दिया, एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. Now see here, from here to here it becomes x minus 7 upon 4 whole square. If you expand it again, you will get this 2x. Okay, 2x. 2x करेंगे, 2a भी करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? minus 7 upon 2x. Now take LCM. 16 is LCM. It becomes 2 8 3 24 minus 49 is equal to 0. So x minus 7 upon 4 whole square plus it becomes 49 में से ये गया तो कितना बचा? 5 and 2 25 minus 25 upon 16 is equal to 0. Now transpose this that side, so it becomes plus x minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equal to 25 upon 16. Taking square root on both sides, square root on both sides, we get see here x minus 7 by 4 is equal to square root लेंगे 25 पर क्या आ जाएगा? 5 और 4. There are two signs, plus and minus. If I take positive sign, it becomes x minus 7 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. This implies x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So x is equal to LCM ले लीजिए 4, 5 plus 7. It becomes 12 upon 4. It will cut 3. X is equal to 3. One value is 3. Now I will take negative sign. So x minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Transpose this that side. So it is x 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. It is, take LCM 4. 7 minus 5. It is 2 by 4. So it is 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Question first, third part. 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now see here, what is the coefficient of x square here? 4. So divide the full equation by 4. X square plus 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे रूट 3x plus 3/4 is equal to 0. Now this two terms is given to you और इसको आपको क्या बनाना है, complete square बनाना है. What you add and subtract? b/2a का whole square add and subtract. What is the coefficient of what is b? 4 root 3. Coefficient of x. What is a? 4. Sorry, what is b? In this you can see. What is b? Root 3. And what is a? 1. So it is 2 into 1 का whole square यानी कि 3/2 add and subtract. 3/2 को आप क्या कर दीजिए, add and subtract. In this x square plus root 3x plus 3/2 plus 3/4 minus 3/2. Here you add, here you subtract. Now see here, what is this whole square? Instead of this you can write x plus root 3/2 का whole square. Root 3 by b upon it becomes 4 ना, 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 4 हो जाएगा. So it is 3/4. You can write 3/4. So it is 3/2 का whole square. Expand it again, you will verify that x का स्क्वायर इसका स्क्वायर 3/4 और 2ab करेंगे तो 2 से 2 कट जाएगा तो रूट 3x रह जाएगा. It's okay. Now you can see that this is cancelled out, so it is equal to 0. It means x plus root 3/2 का whole square 0 हो गया. तो you can it is 0, so you can taking square root on both sides. We get x plus दो वैल्यू आएंगे, x plus root 3/2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 3/2. Again you do this. It is square. So again x की other value भी क्या होगी, minus 3/2. Or you can say write in this way, x plus root 3/2 is equal to 0. It means one time you use this bracket and next time you can use this bracket is equal to 0. It means if the b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so इधर कैसे रूट्स हैं, ये रूट्स आर इक्वल. In this case अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac जो होता है वो क्या होता है, 0. अगर ये केस है तो क्या होएगा, रूट्स आर. Question number 2. Find the roots of quadratic equation. Find roots by quadratic formula. So I will take second part. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now what is quadratic formula? Just now we derive it. It is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c is constant term. Now here a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 4. Put the values in quadratic equation. इसको यहाँ रख दीजिए. b की जगह आप क्या रखेंगे, put it here. b की जगह आप क्या रखेंगे, इसको इसमें रखिए. x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 का स्क्वायर minus 4 into 2a to c minus 4 upon 2 into 2. Putting all the values, now simplify it. Minus 1 plus minus 1 minus minus plus. So 4 to the 8, 8 plus 4, 12 upon 4. So it is minus 1 plus minus 13 upon 4. 13 upon 4. Now here two values, plus and minus. So what is the value of x? Minus 1 plus under root 13 upon 4 comma minus 1 minus root 13 upon 4. This is the answer. Question 2, fourth part. The equation is given to you, 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Use quadratic formula. So write quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. Now putting the values in the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 ka square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 4 upon 2a. A is 2. Solve it. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 16 to the 32. Minus ka 32 upon 4. You can see here x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 31 upon 4. This gives you, it is root minus 31. This gives you imaginary roots, or roots does not exist. You can write no solution. Solution is there, but it is imaginary. It is a complex number, but in our course we can write it is no solution or root does not exist. Root does not exist. If the under root comes in with minus, we can write imaginary roots. So roots does not exist. Question third, second part. Find the roots. Find the roots of following equation. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30, where x not equals to minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 होते infinity हो जाएगा, 7 होते तो accept these two values. Okay, what are the roots of this equation? First you take LCM. X plus 4, x minus 7, this divided by this, so it is x minus 7 minus x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 13. Now solve it. X minus x minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon multiplied it, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. This x cancel out. Minus 11 upon x square minus 11x minus 28, 11 upon 30. This 11 cancel out. So what is remaining? Minus 1 upon x square. It becomes 3x, minus 3x. It becomes minus 3x. So minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 upon 30. Now you cross multiplied it. Cross multiply करेंगे तो you will get minus 30 cross multiply minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Now transpose minus 30 to that side, it will get x square minus 3x and minus 28 and plus 30. It is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can solve it by factorization method. Product is 2, middle term is minus 3. So what is the factor of 2? minus 2 minus 1. Instead of this, you can write x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Make group. Take x common, x minus 2 in this, minus 1 common, x minus 2. Again x minus 2 common, x minus mean other bracket. Make this 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. It is x is equal to 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0. It is x is equal to 1.